Ryan Gass here, PTPGun.com, firearms training, and today we're here to show you how to field strip your H&K 45C. Now before we take apart any firearm, we need to double check, make sure the firearm is unloaded. So we're gonna keep the firearm pointed safe direction. We're gonna hit the magazine release, which is on this H&K. For those who are not familiar with it, it's on the bottom rear end of the trigger guard. So we're gonna hit that down, which you can do from either side. All right, drop the magazine, set it to the side. And we're gonna go ahead and pull that slide back, lock it back, double check, make sure there's no round in chamber nor magazine inserted, which we don't, and we're good to go. Now, what we gotta do is we have to pull this slide back, all right, just far enough so this little indent that's on the bottom left-hand side, all right, it's right above where the slide catch actually pivots on the frame. All right, so we're gonna bring it back just that far. We'll hold it like this. All right, what we gotta do is I gotta punch that out, and I'm actually gonna pull from this side. I'm gonna pull this up and out. All right, you see it kind of pops out relatively easily, all right? And then the slide comes off very freely from there. So the frame, though, we're done with it from here, so we're gonna set that to the side. We're gonna take this pin right there and put it to the side. And now we have the slide assembly upside down. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna compress this spring guide assembly down a little bit and pull it up and out of the bottom of the barrel. Set it to the side. Pull the barrel up and out, set it to the side. And then you have the slide itself. From here, you need to have a cleaner maintenance you might need to do on your H&K 45C. Now let's go ahead and get back into reassembly. All right, we have the slide upside down, the barrel dropped in, muzzle first, upside down. We have our spring guide assembly, all right, with the opening here, this large opening, that is facing towards the barrel lug. We're gonna compress that just a little bit, all right? It's gonna get caught in the bottom of the barrel lug, all right? In there very well. Now we're gonna go ahead and introduce the frame to the slide, and the rail starts here, all right? We're gonna insert that rail into the back of the slide. We're gonna keep it matched up. We're gonna pull it back, and now from here, we need to match it again up, all right? So we're gonna match that square indent up, and we're gonna press this through, all right? It's gonna press through, all right? It's gonna fall into its place, all right? And we're gonna, it's not all the way in, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna press real nice and firm, right? And it's locked back in. Now the firearm is back together, but now we're gonna do a function check. Make sure we put it back together properly. Now this is a single action and double action handgun. So we're gonna function check it both from single action and double action. Starting with double action. We know it's a double action right now because the hammer is forward. With that, we're gonna go ahead and pull this trigger all the way. It's gonna be a very long, firm trigger pull, and let go. We're gonna do it one more time. Pull all the way, and let go. Now, for single action mode, we're gonna cock the hammer back all the way back, let go, right? We're gonna pull that trigger, and let go. Let's do it one more time. Pull back, let go, pull the trigger, let go. Now we're gonna rack it with the slide, pull back, let go, pull the trigger, let go. Pull back on the slide, let go, pull the trigger, and let go. And now because it's firearm safety, we're gonna pull back, let go. We're gonna make sure that the safety works, all right? We're gonna put it on fire, all right? We're gonna put it on safe. And now the firearm is still in single action, but it is on safe, and we're gonna pull that trigger, and nothing's gonna happen, all right? What I'm gonna also do is I'm going to put it on fire, send the hammer home. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on safe while in double action mode, pull that trigger, and again, nothing happens. The firearm is functioning the way it needs to, and it is safe to use this firearm for any way we choose, whether for concealed carry, on the range, or even home defense. For more videos on how to take apart your firearm, be sure to go to our YouTube channel, PTPGun.com Firearms Training, and hit that subscribe button as we post new videos each and every week. Also, if you haven't already, go to our website, PTPGun.com/merchandise, and find hats, shirts, hoodies, cups, and even decals to help support your favorite YouTube channel, PTPGun.com Firearms Training. Thank you all again. Stay safe, and as always, train, defend, prevail.